So I just changed my car filter and this is my dirty car filter. So I'm making a quick demonstration of how I change my car filter. I use this brand called Fram, but there is another brand called EP Auto. Both work really good. You can find them on Amazon. I will put links below in the description. There are two latches on the side and you want to unlatch them like this. Here you go. And you need to take this little hood off, and by doing so there are two notches on the side that goes inside and slip into these two holes, and you need to shake it a little bit or move it a little bit to slide them off these holes, and then it's easily to be removed. I'm doing this with one hand and I'm holding my iPhone with the other hand. And see, that's my air filter. It's a new one because I just recently changed it. So I'm just showing you how I open this. Closing it is kind of tricky. You have to align those notches. And I'll show you in a bit. So closing it is a bit tricky. So I had to use my little GoPro camera to help me do this because I can't do it with one hand. I have to do it with two hands when doing this. Okay, here's my car filter right here. I'm just going to remove it to show you how I placed it and put it in there. You just got to make sure it's snugged in there all the way. As you can see, this is a new filter and I'm putting it back in. Now you have to watch out for this little cord here. You don't want this to get snagged when you're trying to close this, because you can easily, snag it in there and it wouldn't close. Okay, here's the tricky part. You have to align the notches, and the two latches are pressing against it where you can't slide in the notches into those little holes. So you have to wiggle it or push the latch aside a little bit to align them into the holes, and they slip in, and then you can latch them in place. It shouldn't sound like a snapping when you latch it. Now I'm going to show you where those notches are, because I don't think people explain this very well, because I had some troubles over here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you where they are at. So bear with me. I'm going to turn on the light and have a little flashlight so you can see what I'm looking at. So here are where the notches are and where the holes are that you slide them in. So you have to look at this when you open this up or close it. This is where there will be some struggle in this area. Again, it's the latches that are pressing against the cover, and that's what makes it a little hard. So you have to shake it a little bit for it to all work. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to keep me alive. I am Jess with Success. I am signing off, and you have a great day.